guys, sorry it's been a while since I've posted a video out here on the property, but it has been extremely hot here in Washington. Where I live, we were in the high 80s, mid 80s, low 90s. So I've just been staying home where I have the AC inside. And today it's the lowest temps of the week, and right now it's 76, and I'm a little bit in the shade. But while I was cooped up inside, I was watching videos on, I want to make like a sawmill, because I didn't plan on dropping any big trees. I still don't, but since Mother Nature felled this big one for me, I want to try and make like a slat of wood, like with a mill. But being I only have one chunk of wood, it's pointless to go out and buy a mill or all the fancy stuff. In the videos I saw, they're long chainsaws with long bars, so they have like 2 holes in the bar to make like a bracket for it. And mine's just not long enough. So I made something, and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. My husband said it's not gonna work, only because if it would work, it would be done already. But I had to remind him that men and women think very differently, and he knows that. But, so while I was inside, it's very cheap. I did make one, the first round, the magnet wasn't strong enough. It was like a 40-pound magnet about this big, like the size of a Coke can, and it wasn't strong enough. So then I ordered some on Amazon. These little magnets, I got 6 for 10 bucks. And they are super strong. That the first time I tried it, I stuck it on there and the wood came off, but the magnet stayed on the bar. So that's why I haven't put it on there yet until I'm ready to try it. Because if it's stuck on there, my husband's not here to help me out with it. But all I did was take a scrap of pallet wood and then another chunk that I just had that was from the mill down the road. And the only thing that cost me was, sorry, I got bugs, were these 2 magnets on Amazon. And I screwed them on, and after the first time they got stuck to the chainsaw, I put glue on it, so hopefully it'll help. But since I fixed it, I have not attached it to my bar. And what I plan on doing, I think this is 4 inches, this piece right here, that'll go on the bar, and this flat part will ride across the top. And we'll see if my husband was right, or if I'm right. This log might be too green, so we're gonna go try it on another log. But so far, it's not coming off. The other one where the magnet was supposed to be really strong just came right off. But this, so far, so good. I'm gonna go. Budge a little bit, gotta see if I could wiggle it down so it's not on the chain. That side's good, that side's good. I should be wearing chaps, but if I put them on and this doesn't get me, I'll have a heat stroke. It's looking good so far, but it's a long ways to go. tried this log or piece of wood because I'm kind of scared to be doing this without chaps on, because I'm not used to cutting wood this way against all the grain. So I'm kind of scared in case it kicks back, then I'm screwed. So I don't think I'm going to try this anymore today, but I am going to say that this works. Let's see if I can take this off, and then I'll show you my cuts. Ooh, it came off, and it usually doesn't. Well, it didn't the first time, but I used. So again, this is all it is: a piece of pallet, a piece of scrap wood, and then I screwed 2 extra strong magnets on there, and I also put super glue in my pre-drilled hole, so when I drilled the screws, there was glue in there to also help hold it. But it does work so far. I'm just being chicken, just trying to be safe. So if I cut a leg off, I'll never get this done. So let's check out my cuts, and I'll let you judge. But again, it just takes time, and if I'm not wearing chaps, it freaks me out, because you guys got me worried about safety, which is good. I need to be aware. Wait, are you still on? There you go. See, there's my cut. So it is working. Again, I'm just playing it smart, guys. And then let's check this first one I tried. So it'll definitely work. And when the weather cools down and I can wear chaps without having a heat stroke, we'll try this again. But I'll say that is the cheapest sawmill you could probably make. So I'll have to tell my husband he was wrong, and it just took a little bit of female ingenuity. But yeah, I just gotta be safe, guys. Thanks.